Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me in this conference. I am very honored to be here. I am also very excited and nervous at the same time because this is my first conference. So I really hope everything goes well. My name is Samonchai Thanommit. I am a master's student studying in computer and informative technology at King Mongkut University of Technology, Thonburi in Bangkok, Thailand. And I have just graduated in Bachelor of Science like a year ago, and I studied a master right away. So I don't have much experience in education field and teaching field that much, but I really hope that this project, this research will be useful and helpful for anyone who needs it. And here's the abstract of this research. I already published it on the website, so you can go ahead and download it from the website, or you can contact me. I will leave my email information so we can contact and discuss more about this research or this project. And here is the introduction of this research. So basically, Thailand's economy is growing, is thriving very fast, very quickly, but tax revenue fell short the last couple of years. It's possibly maybe because of the COVID-19. People still don't have jobs. People still don't have enough income to pay tax. And it may be because most people, they don't have knowledge about how to pay tax. They don't have knowledge of how tax actually work, how it works, especially among students who just graduate from college, from university. They will have jobs soon. They will have to work soon, but some of them don't know how to pay tax because in Thailand's education system, in university classes, they don't have this in the class, and it's really hard to learn it by yourself because there's a lot of information. So this is why I am creating with this website based on constructivism theory so that people, user can learn tax and financial management at their own pace. And I really hope that this website will help them understand more about how to pay tax, how tax work, and how to manage their financial issue, or how to manage their financial stuff. And here are the objectives of this research. There are four objectives. The first one is to develop the interactive website about tax and financial management by applying constructivism theory of students at King Mongkut University of Technology, Thonburi. The second one is to assess the quality of the interactive website. The last one is to compare learning performance before and after studying by using the interactive website. And the last one is to examine the satisfaction level of a sample group towards the interactive website. For the literature reviews, there are four literatures that I have in this research. The first one is self-learning. It's for student user will learn about tax and financial management by themselves, and they will have to understand independently without direct guidance or instruction from the others. But this website will help them learn by themselves easily and really help them understand how tax and financial management work. The second one is constructivism theory. So this is a learning theory that emphasizes the active role of learners in building their understanding and knowledge of the world. Learners construct knowledge through experience and interactions with reflection on those experiences. The third one is tax and financial management. So this is what user or student will learn through the website. So basically, it's just will show how tax work, what is tax in Thailand, and how to pay tax, and how to make decision about personal finances, and how to manage the finance. And the fourth one is interactive website. So this website will have information about tax and financial, obviously, but also will have the videos, interaction games, and multimedia that will help user understand. And also, this website will have the tests. There will be pre-test and post-test, so that I can compare the learning performance if they actually learning from it. For the sample group, there will be 172 students, fourth year undergraduate students of the Faculty of Industrial Education and Technology in my university. So here is a project timeline. So the research was conducted from August 2023 until May 2024. And there will be 4 steps, 4 phases. So phase 1, I study and gather information and plan to create a website. The second step, I design and build tools for the research. The third one, I distribute tools and collect data. And the phase 4, I analyze and summarize the results. And here are the research tools. There will be 4 research tools. The first one, obviously, there will be an interactive website about tax and financial management. The second one, there will be a quality assessment form for the expert, so that experts can analyze the website if it's good enough, if there will be anything that I will have to fix to make it better, to make sure that the quality is perfect. The third one is satisfaction form assessment form for sample group. This is for the student, for the user who use the website. They will have to do this form. And the fourth one is the test. It's the pre-test and post-test for the sample group that they will have to do before and after they use the website. And here is the data collection. So first, I will have to collect data from the expert, from the website quality. So the expert will have to they will have to analyze the website if it's good enough. And the second one, the data collection from pre-test and post-test quality formed by the expert. So this is where the expert will have to analyze the test, if the test is accurate, if it's based on the learning objectives, if the test is not too easy or too hard, and it's actually good enough, perfect for students. And the third one, the data collection from the satisfaction form by the sample group. I have to collect this one too, and I also have to collect data from the pre-test and post-test performance by the sample group. And here is data analysis. So I conduct research by using mean and standard deviation to analyze the quality, evaluation by the expert, and the satisfaction evaluation of the population. And I also use the index of item objective congruence, IOC, to analyze the evaluating content validity of pre-test and post-test. And here is the interactive website about tax and financial management. You can scan the QR code to use the website, to interact with the website. You can use it on your tablet, your phone, your PC, any device that has screen. So this website includes with the interactive games and also the video, motion graphic video that will help the user learn how tax work, anything about tax. And also there is the interaction games that will help them improve the understanding of what have they just learned. And also there's a reflection that they can write after they finish the chapters. And that will be 4 chapters of the tax and financial management. And every chapter will include the motion graphic video that I created by using Adobe After Effects and Photoshop. And every chapter will, of course, will include the interactive games. And this interactive games is based on using constructivism theory that will help them construct what they just learned into the real life experience, so that will help them understand more of what they have just learned. And here's like the overview of the whole website. And of course, the reflection, and you can click it to the next page. And at the beginning of the website, you will have to do the pre-test first, and you will have to put your student number, student code to make sure that you are actually a student in King Mongkut University of Technology, Thonburi. And you also have to do the post-test after you use the website. And you also have to put on your student code. So I can track that before using the website, you got, let's say you got 10 score out of 20, and after the website you got 18 score out of 20, so that I can track that are you actually learn and you're also actually a student of King Mongkut University of Technology, Thonburi. So here is the whole website that I just showed you, and you can click it to the satisfaction form by using this website as well. And here is the research result, and this is the analysis result by the experts. So this the content quality of the website, so overall is very good. And this is the technical quality of website, and it also is analyzed by the expert, and the quality overall is also very good. And here is the learning performance, that the sample group, how pre-test and post-test, how did they do it. So they actually understand and get a lot more scores than pre-test, and this is a proof that actually show that they actually learned from the website. And here is the sample group satisfaction, and the average overall the quality level is the highest. And here is the conclusion. So the data analysis from the interactive website shows that it effectively engaged user in the interactive learning ways. It sparks curiosity and help user understand tax and financial management. And this website also serves as a tool to share information with a broad audience. Designed using the constructivism theory, this theory will help make complex topics that will to easy to understand for fourth-year students. And evaluation of both content and technical aspect in the website is indicate that it's very high quality. The concept can enhance students' understanding of tax and financial management skill, and supporting their personal growth and education pursuits. Feedback from users confirm that the website is visually appealing and easy to understand and applicable to daily life. And here's the reference that I used to the research and I put on the presentation. And thank you so much for having me. If you have any questions, just please let me know and I will answer. And if you want to contact me, I will leave my email and personal contact below. Thank you, everyone. Have a good one.